Hi guys, I hope you're doing great today. Here's another tutorial for you guys. This is not a tutorial, it's more like a quick tip because a lot of people, I'm sure, do not know about this special button. Let me show you what I mean. For example, here's the two files I have, two videos, right? This is a video from Las Vegas, which I'm preparing for you for my new next vlog. Wait, stay tuned for this video also. So now I want to, for example, I want to use this preset. It is a video effects, right? I want to use a video effects, for example, twirl, and I put it right here. So let's take another one, like for example, mirror, and I put it here. So now, whenever I use video effects, when I use mirror, and then I just like this, for example, I do it like this, little bit like this, for example. Okay, and then for example I want to use this one also. What is it? What is it? Twirl, and then I do angle, and I just start twirling it. So now I have these two video effects, right? But what if you have a huge video project, for example, like here? Yeah, you have a lot of files, you have a big project, and you're creating, have a music and video and stuff, and then when you're trying to play it, no, it's plays, but sometimes it's renders for a long, and if you're using like HD video, you don't want to do a proxies for HD videos, right? So takes time, and it's not necessary. But what if you edit a lot of video effects on each or your files, and whenever you play your project, it starts freezing. It starts like playing slow. So in this case, to be a more fast on your work, here's a special button for it. For example, you need to go to this plus sign right here, and you click on it, and then here will be effects. See, global effects mute. You take this global effects mute and put it right here. Then you click OK. So now when I look, here's I have, for example, effects, right? So when I turn it on, see, it turns it off, for just for you to work, to continue working, and you not worry about effects on your files, because it makes a huge uh, takes a lot of power of your computer and stuff when you're rendering it. So you do it temporarily, turn it off. Whenever I need to turn, I just turn it on, and see, I have these effects on my video again. When I turn it on, it disappears. So this is very useful maneuver here, which you can use on your projects. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Please, you really will help a lot. And I'm wishing you all a great day and great projects. See you later. Bye.